Right guys, as you can see, we've got the Xbox up and running. We open the disk drive, the disk is clearly in it. Put it in there, close the disk drive shut. We get nothing. Now I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. Right guys, as you can see we've got the Xbox here, still not reading, it says open tray, it's not reading at all. All you're going to need to do this is your hands or some sort of blunt object. You're going to have to follow my steps pretty carefully. You might even have to pause this at some point, but watch carefully, okay? We simply turn the Xbox onto its side, and then all you got to do, now you can try some fancy stuff like turning it off and on with the shit out and all this stuff which doesn't work. But the real solution is to just give it a few smacks. And now this does actually work, believe it or not. So you just push it back in. Sometimes forcefully pushing it in helps, and then you just smack it all around. Good beating. It'll take a few tries. It doesn't necessarily go on the first try. If it does, I'm very lucky. Yes, there you go. First try. As you can see, it doesn't read the disc if you just try and push it normally. First try there. Then you can turn it up on its side so it can vent a bit better. And that is how you get your Xbox to read your disc. Right, to get it to read the disc, you open the disc tray like so, and you push the disc tray back in, and smack off. Like that. Now it does make some unhappy noises.